I don't usually invite girls into my room, but something really screams that you agree to. I care, it'll be magical, it's fantastical. Is that even a word? Baby girl. Literally just gone on the second interview of the day. Look at my attire. And it went well. Okay, so first of all, I don't even know why I look like a thumb. Oh, okay, so it wasn't an interview. It was more of like a day to go and sign in all the paperwork, because I've had a lot of different trial jobs that I've done that I didn't really like, and this one caught my eye, so I was like, I am going to be working with children. This video is meant to go up a while ago, so if it goes up like soon, it's gonna seem like I didn't like have the job, but I do. So this is a small mini life update on what's been going on with me. Yeah. First few things we're going to need, obviously my makeup bag, a brush, another brush, an argan oil spray, probably some bobby pins, a box full of clear, there's a bobby pin like fishing hiding in there, a box of clear hair bands, an Olay facial cleansing wipe, which is not a makeup wipe remover, but I'm using it as such, so don't judge me. And we're gonna need a Monoi oil leave-in conditioner, which is what I actually use to style my hair. So we're gonna do my hairstyle first, and then I'm gonna take off my makeup. So guys, how have you guys been? Tell me about yourselves in the comment section. I want to know what's up with your lives. So many new things have been happening for me. Why am I talking like that? Always take two. Oh no, one's higher than the other. Oh, fuck it. What I'm doing is not going to be exactly identical to the picture, but I am recreating what I did. So we shall see how it goes, my bro. For all the people that were like, your hair looks different, that's because this is actually my real hair. I've kind of brushed it out so it's not as defined in curls, but curly hair is very versatile. And then I look for the other parting I had. Take you with me, claiming every inch of you and me. I'll keep you calm, yeah. Let your head rest calm, yeah. Hi, Miss Princess. I am trying to fall in love with you. You're right, Miss Lee. I just saw you out, but I couldn't help but to drift away in your heart. Melanin, ooh, caramel coffee stain, ooh, better when I see you, dying for me to touch you, food for thought, I think not, I know what the minds be craving, it's you, don't be shy, I won't lie, girl, your skin's making me fucking drool, yeah, I just wanna bite, I promise it's just one little bite. If you trust me, I can take you up, making you see all kinds of stars. Open up the galaxy, ooh, it's already seeping out your mind. I can already see you. Let me add some colors to. Okay, so guys, I can't find the other pink one, so I've only had to do this side, so it looks a bit odd. Yeah, no, I can't find it, sorry. Oh, I found one. Okay, so then I put one there like this, so it looks like this. Okay, so now that my hair is done, I've done 2 twists, 2 of these here, but I did this into a bantu knot and I did this one into a bantu knot. Then I brushed out with a brush
my hair to get kind of rid of the curls, because my hair is naturally curly. I don't have 4C hair, so to create this look I have to brush out my curls, wipe all of this off, and start painting on our face. Wish me luck. So once my makeup is off of my face and I look like poo, I open my makeup bag because we are about to look beautiful. Now don't get me wrong, I know that all of my makeup is not entirely wiped off of my face. I'm aware of that, which is exactly why I'm doing this. So once I'm done, my baby hairs look like this. So thank you guys so much for watching. I need to tuck these behind my ear because my hair is acting weird. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know this was a really weird makeup video. It was not exactly a makeup tutorial because I don't recommend putting lip gloss on your eyelids or on your nose or whatever, which is exactly what I did. If you wanted to follow this routine, you can, but find the right products for your eyebrows, your eyes and stuff. This was an improvised look, so yeah, make sure to give it a like. Don't forget to share, don't forget to follow all of my social media. My Instagram will be like here, and all of my other social medias will probably be like here. Yeah, I hope you have a great day. Bye guys.